Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Vertex steering wheel. Now I personally love this and how it looks. I think it's pretty sweet. This is a legit Vertex steering wheel. I absolutely love it. Love the colors and everything in it. The stitching is great. It's gonna be a great accent in this car, this interior. Oh, it feels so good. So the reason why I'm replacing it with a legit one, because I thought this was a legit Momo steering wheel, but I don't know if you can see this. See if you can see it. See how it's moving? Look, just the top, you know? I feel like it's gonna break off anytime. This isn't a real steering wheel. It might have a Momo horn button, but let's swap it out. Just go ahead and take these off. Gotta put your back into it. Oh yeah. Woo! So it comes off like so. You got your connection for the horn button. We'll just go ahead and disconnect that. So yeah, easy as that. Let's see what this even has. Looks like a no name. No name. Now my car is already equipped with a aftermarket hub, so it'll just fit right on. Let me show you something. So this one is so cheap that when I was taking it off, it separated. If you can see that. You see that? Well, it's separated and broke. You can kind of see it. Yeah. Sorry for the quality, but it's getting dark. I was trying to shoot while the daylight was out. I was having a little issue. So yeah, let's get this puppy installed. So check out this horn button. Ooh, Vertex. Reason why I hate working when it's dark out, I can't see anything, especially when the screw drops. Oh man. Where the heck did it go? Oh, see? Inside the hub. Get excited. Got a real steering wheel. The other one was fake. Fake steering wheels are not safe. Oh, also, I wish you guys all Merry Christmas. I know it's already passed, but I hope you had a very good Christmas. I know I did. I smoked a nice brisket. And if you were following me on Instagram, you would know. Because on my whole story throughout the day, you were with me smoking the brisket. Oh, it tastes really good too. Alright. So now we got the steering wheel horn button to install. it on in there, like so. Oop. Horn works. And there you have it. She's installed. Absolutely beautiful steering wheel, man. Vertex Speed, Hell's Racing. Absolutely beautiful. Don't worry, you'll get to see close-ups in the next videos. So stay tuned for that. Well, I know this video was kind of like not that great, not that, you know, not well put together. But hey, I did my best, and we got a new steering wheel installed. As I said, this fake Momo one, it's bent all up, and then it just separated, and it was really wiggly, and it's deteriorating everywhere in my car. So once again, that would not be safe, you know, driving down the road. That broke, and I had nothing to steer with. She's on, and the horn works. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, or comment down below what you think. If you have any suggestions, you know, gripes, complaints. All in all, you know, this is a good install. You should check out the other Vertex steering wheels. They're pretty awesome. And with that being said, hope you guys have a great day. Speed Pro out.